As a former voting rights lawyer yourself, can you talk about that work and why it was so important for your office to protect Wisconsinites' right to vote?
One of the things that I thought was going to happen as Attorney General is that I would spend less time than I had focused on voting rights issues. It's not usually sort of a central feature of the work that AGs do, but obviously that was not the case, certainly in 2020 and now continuing into 2021. Everybody knows how important Wisconsin is in the national political landscape, and there were a number of cases going on before the election. There was an effort, for example, to purge tens of thousands of voters from our voter rolls. There was this slowdown with the mail, and we were one of the states that challenged what the Postal Service was doing when a lot of voters were going to be casting absentee ballots. We were concerned about Election Day and security of voters when they went to the polls and voter intimidation. So we were very clear that that's something we took seriously and that people would be held accountable if they engaged in voter intimidation. But then after the election, there was a concerted effort to overturn the results of the election in Wisconsin, really to steal Wisconsin's presidential vote. And fortunately, we had teams that worked to protect the will of the voters. We had recounts in our two largest counties that confirmed the results. We had several different legal actions going on, and Kaul was one of the lawyers who was part of our team protecting the will of the voters. And people, I think, when they think about going to law school and having an impact through the work they do as lawyers, protecting our democracy and upholding the will of the voters in a presidential election is, I think, about as much as anybody could ask for when it comes to having an impact. And because Colin had become such an integral part of our team, he was part of that effort.